In this video, we'll show you how to replace the inner weather stripping on your Ford F-150. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and behind the door. Let's get started. In order to change our weather stripping, we first need to remove the plastic panel at the bottom of the door. To do that, we can simply grab onto it from either end and lift up. You want to be careful not to break any of the tabs under here. Now that we have the door trim piece out of the way, we can start pulling up from the bottom, starting on one end, working the weather stripping out. As we're pulling this off, you want to note where it started and where it ended. Installing the new door seal is just the reverse of removing the old one. Start to push it on. Once you have it in, you can go around again, making sure it's fully seated. Now to reinstall our trim piece, simply line up the tabs and press down on each one. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.